When I came, we had like the vision, like if I think I can, I can. That statement, I think that just instills everything, because if you think you can do something, then you are able to do it.
A kindergarten teacher at Tiger Academy, Susan Harper recalls her early days of teaching at the charter school. But this morning, the teacher of 42 years was surprised to be honored for her success in the classroom.
You have been selected as a recipient of the Gladys Pryor. Oh my God! Oh my!
The Gladys Pryor Award for Career Teaching was established in 1998 by local businessman and YMCA partner Gilchrist Berg. The award is managed by UNF's College of Education and Human Services, and as a part of the award, Susan Harper and other winners receive a prize of $15,000.
Even though it's like over 40 years, every day it feels like my first year. It does, and I'm just as enthusiastic as when I walk in until the time that I leave.
While she is passionate about teaching as a whole, Harper says that her favorite part of the job comes from seeing the yearly progress of her students.
Just watching students grow, just their growth and where they are when they come in to this at the beginning of the year, and just to see like growth in them, how they may come in like not being able to read, not being able to write, but by Christmas you can see scholars like reading and they're writing, and they're able to celebrate each other on what they've done well. And all that comes like through modeling. I'm passionate about what I do. And oh God,
Over the course of a long educational career, Harper has truly learned the keys to pushing students to high levels of academic achievement.
Consistency, modeling, making sure that scholars know or students know like what your expectations are, and being consistent with what you expect. Not stifling them on just saying like they're only capable of learning just a minimum amount because of their age, but just exposing them and giving them the opportunity to grow. And that's what I try to foster like in my children. The opportunity to grow. I encourage them to be independent thinkers, independent learners. I model that in the classroom, and as a result, they are able to do that.
The YMCA congratulates Miss Susan Harper for all she does at Tiger Academy and the Jacksonville community.